Hi, I'm Piyush from Odisha, India, and I'm passionate about exploring new places, and photography is my passion. And I would love to thank Honor for the support and achievements I have got through in many days. In like our from 2019, I have achieved so many things till date, and currently I'm using Honor V30 Pro, which is a very good smartphone in my opinion, and I'm using that for around 3 months and doing photography in that things. And then recently I know about the Honor 50 series, which is launching in October. It is a vlog camera that I actually love to know that, and I would love to test that one and do some vlogging in many things like landscaping and portrait videos, many for that. So thanks again for the Honor devices and bringing back Honor into the global world. Thank you.